Hello, my Cancerians. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of June 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share, and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Weave Rattle Live family. If you belong to my cusp signs, darlings, the reading is already out. This is for my zodiac babies. So, let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, and then from the 21st to the 30th. Let's see what can we have for you. Angels and spirit guides, first 10 days please for my sweeties. Let's take this as well. Can I have one more? Oops. We begin with nothingness, inner voice, politics, and silence. Can you see the synchronicity? There's a crescent moon, there's a moon. The eyes are shut, the eyes are open. That's your third eye chakra, which needs to be focused on. Okay, so darlings, you should not be getting swayed, or you should not get tempted in the first 10 days. Don't ever trust anyone in the first 10 days. It's a strict warning. You should be only trusting yourself, because there are people around you who are trying to be manipulative, jealous, trying to take advantage of you. Okay, so keep those people aside. Avoid gambling, addictions in the first 10 days. No matter how much you're tempted, you have to be careful. Gain clarity. Be as a third person and try to gain information as to what this person is trying to say. Only follow your gut feeling, because that is what the nothingness is trying to say, that your higher self, through prayers, chanting mantras, these, or probably visiting these shrines, mosques, churches, are the places where you will find the answer to your question. So, don't doubt. Okay. Now, let's come to the mid 10 days. That would be from the 11th to the 20th. Let's see what can we have for you. Let's take these two, and let's take these two. We have innocence, beyond delusion, suppression, projections, and completion. So what is happening in the mid 10 days is, darlings, people are going to mirror you, and you are going to be super confused, because you are just trying to figure out whether this is something I want or I shouldn't. It's like, temptation is going to play a very important role for you in the mid 10 days. So understand, it is just a temptation. There's nothing that you will derive from it. Okay, because beyond illusion and projections, both are trying to say that you feel, oh, this is something I like, I enjoy, but universe is saying it's a temporary phase. You might get attracted into a third party, okay, or you could be falling just because you're sailing in the same boat. So be a little careful is what it's trying to say. We have suppression. So what is happening is, because good things are happening to you on financial grounds, you are going to get overburdened, over suppressed. It could also mean you have a tendency to overthink. So universe is reminding you, shrug off that. Dance, skip, hop, jump, talk. That will make you feel good. And completion, innocence, enjoy the simplicity of life. Understand something positive is coming. Whatever you're experiencing, it is a matter of time. So keep going with the flow rather than resisting it. But understand what the reality is and what is something that you're just running behind like an illusion bit. Okay, now let's come to the last 10 days. That would be from the 21st to the 30th. Okay, let's take this one. Let's take this as well. Can I have two cards, please? Let's take this and let's take this. So we have Miser, existence, celebration, comparison. This was the bottom of the deck in the second week. Comparison, Miser, both are trying to say that you're trying to be stubborn. Why? Because you're comparing yourself with someone else. Why? Because it's in your thought process. You have been through that way. So you feel, don't try to teach me, darling. I know much better than you. Okay. That attitude, you need to drop it down. Remember, you're far more superior and better than anybody. Why do you want to do that? Everybody is unique in their own way. Okay. So stop having those unwanted, conflicted thoughts in yourself. You have your friends with whom you enjoy, have fun. It's about celebrating. And remember, you're the magician of your life. You know how to deal. So why are you getting caught in that unnecessary issues? Break free, keep moving ahead. Okay. Now let's ask your angels what guidance would they like to give you for this month. Angels. Let's shuffle again. Angels and spirit guides. Okay, there we have fresh air. So fresh air is, again, we have a child. So it could be like an inner child that seems to be calling. Spending time outdoors will make you feel good. Breathe fresh air. Exercise. Okay. Also bring freshness in your relationship. It's okay, people make mistakes. We all are humans. So try to bring that little change in that relationship as well. Now let's come to your love life, because we are talking about relationships. Angels and spirit guides. Guidance, please. Not a whole bunch, please, angels and spirit guides. Okay, let's take these two. What a beautiful coincidence. Okay, we have talking, the Grim Reaper, and a mask. Can you see? So talking is trying to remind you, you've got your friends, you have all those people. Please have a conversation. Sometimes there is a possibility for misunderstandings as well. We have the Grim Reaper, the mask, and the mask. Can you see that synchronicity? So, darlings, there is somebody who's not showing their true colors. It could be like gaslightings. So just be very careful. Don't give second chances if this person is not doing the needful. Okay, if you think that it's a toxic relation, let go, because people are not going to change. It's a behavioral issue. Okay, so don't fall for that, my love. Now let's come to what universe has to serve you in this month. Let's ask. We have, okay, we will take this one, which says privileged lady. So a lady who carries immense knowledge will be of utmost importance. Again, this lady is carrying a rose, which kind of says that she will bring in some good news, new beginnings. So yes, keep your eyes and ears open. Okay, there is someone who is coming in your life. Again, we have number 12. So 1 plus 2 is 3, which means extremely knowledgeable and wisdom. She could be like a mentor for you. Okay, so how should I sum up this month? Trust yourself only. You cannot trust anybody in this month, my love, because there are people who are coming to take advantage of you. Face the reality, okay, and let bygones be bygones. Remember, you're an amazing soul. You have your friends who are there to assist you, and stay connected with your higher self, because that's how you will gain more clarity and guidance. Your angels are asking you to bring in fresh air in your relationships, and some oxygen also coming in your breathing space. In relationships, someone is not showing the true colors, or you will figure out in this month. So just be a little careful, and a lady will play an important role for you in this month. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.